Let's face it, a sore throat is never on anyone's to-do list. It's the uninvited guest that throws a wrench into our daily routines, making swallowing feel like a Herculean task. But fear not, for this common ailment can often be tamed with simple, time-tested home remedies. Before we delve into these natural solutions, let's understand what causes our throats to rebel in the first place. Sore throats, often the first sign of a brewing cold or flu, are typically caused by viral infections. The usual suspects include the common cold, influenza, and mononucleosis. These viruses trigger inflammation in the throat, leading to pain and discomfort. In some cases, bacteria like Streptococcus pyogenes, or strep throat, can also be the culprit, necessitating a visit to the doctor for antibiotics. Other factors that can irritate the throat include dry air, allergies, smoke, and even excessive talking or shouting. Identifying the root cause is crucial for effective treatment. If your sore throat is accompanied by high fever, difficulty breathing, or swollen lymph nodes, it's essential to seek medical attention promptly. While over-the-counter medications can provide temporary relief, many people find solace in the soothing embrace of home remedies. These natural solutions, passed down through generations, often utilize readily available ingredients and can help alleviate pain, reduce inflammation, and accelerate healing. From the comforting warmth of saltwater gargles to the soothing properties of herbal teas, these remedies offer a holistic approach to tackling sore throats. Let's explore some of the most effective options that have stood the test of time. Honey, a golden elixir revered for its medicinal properties since ancient times, is a powerhouse of antioxidants. This natural sweetener has been used in various cultures for its healing properties, and its benefits extend far beyond just adding flavor to your tea or toast. It possesses potent antibacterial properties, making it an effective remedy for various ailments. The enzymes in honey produce hydrogen peroxide, which is a known antiseptic. Its viscous nature coats and soothes irritated throat tissues, providing a protective barrier that can help reduce inflammation and discomfort. Additionally, its natural sweetness helps to suppress coughs by triggering the salivary glands to produce more saliva, which can help to thin mucus and ease the irritation in the throat. Lemon, on the other hand, is a rich source of vitamin C, an essential nutrient that plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy immune system. This powerful antioxidant helps to protect the body against free radicals and supports the production of white blood cells, which are vital for fighting off infections. By boosting the immune system, lemon helps the body to more effectively combat the viruses and bacteria that can cause sore throats. The citric acid in lemon also helps to thin mucus, breaking down the thick, sticky secretions that can make breathing and swallowing difficult. This makes it easier to expel mucus from the respiratory tract, providing relief from congestion and making it easier to breathe. Combining these two ingredients creates a synergistic blend that effectively tackles sore throats. The honey provides soothing relief and antibacterial action, while the lemon boosts the immune system and helps to clear mucus. This combination not only addresses the symptoms of a sore throat, but also helps to treat the underlying causes, making it a comprehensive remedy. A warm honey lemon drink can be made by mixing a tablespoon of honey and the juice of half a lemon in a cup of warm water. This simple yet effective remedy can be prepared in just a few minutes. To make the drink, start by heating some water until it is warm but not boiling. Add the honey and lemon juice, stirring until the honey is fully dissolved. This soothing concoction can be sipped slowly throughout the day for maximum benefit. Not only does it provide immediate relief from throat pain and irritation, but it also helps to keep you hydrated, which is essential for recovery. Incorporating this classic duo into your daily routine can help to prevent sore throats from developing in the first place, especially during the cold and flu season. So, the next time you feel that telltale tickle in your throat, reach for honey and lemon for a natural, effective remedy. Saltwater gargling is one of the oldest and most effective home remedies for sore throats. It works by drawing out excess fluid from inflamed tissues in the throat, reducing swelling and pain. The salt also creates an inhospitable environment for bacteria, helping to prevent the spread of infection. Preparing a saltwater gargle is simple. Dissolve half a teaspoon of salt in a cup of warm water. Take a mouthful of the solution and gargle for 30 to 60 seconds, making sure to reach the back of your throat. Repeat this process several times a day for optimal results. Nature's medicine cabinet is replete with herbs that possess potent healing properties. Herbal teas, renowned for their soothing and therapeutic benefits, can be incredibly effective in relieving sore throat discomfort. Slippery elm, with its mucilage content, coats and soothes irritated throat tissues, providing relief from pain and inflammation. Chamomile, known for its calming properties, can help reduce throat inflammation and promote relaxation. To prepare an herbal infusion, steep a teaspoon of dried herbs in a cup of hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Strain the tea and enjoy it warm. These herbal teas can be consumed several times a day to soothe the throat and boost overall well-being. Don't let a sore throat slow you down. By embracing these simple yet effective home remedies, you can find relief and get back to feeling your best. Remember to stay hydrated, get plenty of rest, and listen to your body. For more insightful health tips, empowering advice, and natural remedies, subscribe to our channel today. Let's embark on a journey towards optimal health and well-being together.